Well, good morning. I thought you might want to take a tour of our harvest area now that we finally got it complete. We'll be right back.
This video covers Garden Harvest Area Part 5, Tour.
Well, welcome back. We finally got the harvest area finished. I got the water ran out here, which was the biggest challenge of all. But we got her done, didn't we, baby?
No, we did.
Yeah. Anyway, it's all set up now. We cleared out the area real good in the part one, and we built 3 tables out here, and I've ran the water source to everything. So I thought today we'd just take a look around and let you see the final result of all of that effort. So whenever we go out to the garden and harvest a big harvest, we can come right down by the burn pit, right down this road. We can pull right in right here and unload into the wash table and start the washing process, work it over to the processing table, and eventually head over to the outdoor kitchen to do some canning and all that stuff that you do. And what don't get canned or cooked immediately, we go straight over to the shop, over to the 4-week pantry, and put it up for long-term storage. So we got the total package on harvested now, don't we? So let's take a look and see what we got, the final result of what we got done here, so you can travel along this journey with us. Check it out. Well, when we come in off the garden, this is the first stop. We'll stop the Kubota or Nancy's golf cart or whatever we harvested vegetables on. It'll stop right here, and we unload those vegetables right into the little wash table right here. And this wash table is where we'll do the initial rinse, and we wash it all off with our watering wand, and we get all the loose dirt and loose leaves, the general bad stuff that's on the vegetable. That's the initial rinse, and we get it really pretty good. And once we have it cleaned up from here, then we'll transfer it over to the processing table and take it to another level of cleaning it. But anyway, this is how this little table works, and we're looking forward to using it. Well, after we get through doing the initial rinse on the wash table, we transfer that vegetable that's actually pretty clean when we get through with it there, but we'll bring it from there over to this table here, which also includes a large sink that it accommodates a lot more than the sink that we had in the processing table in Virginia. It's maybe twice as big as that one, so we like the volume and area of that sink better than the other ones, because we can put bigger and more vegetables in it. But what we do on this table is we wash the vegetables a step further than just spraying them. We actually do some hand washing and scrub them with the brushes, and any leaf material on the vegetable that doesn't look just right, we'll cut that off, and I'll save that for the chickens. And we do all that effort right here on this table. Nancy usually washes, and I usually do the cutting, so it's kind of and that's sort of a process. So this processing table does a lot of work for us out here in the harvest area, so it doesn't get it all over the up by the house or in the kitchen like we used to have to do.
Yeah.
So this is a pretty convenient way to do it, don't you think?
Oh yeah, it's going to be awesome.
So anyway, this is the processing table. We got the drain that comes off of the sink discharging down here on the end, just so it doesn't get up under our feet, but we don't usually waste a whole lot of the water, but when we do drain it off, it just drains off down there. So anyway, this is the processing table. Once it's gone to that second step of processing, we'll take it from here and put it back into the a Kubota or Nancy's golf cart, and we'll take off down this road back here behind me. I hang a left, and we'll head over to the outdoor kitchen where Nancy goes to step 3, canning, cooking, and then step 4 is where we head over to the pantry where we long-term store with vacuum sealing and that kind of thing. So anyway, this is another piece of the puzzle out here in the harvest area. Well, this is another feature that we've got out here in the harvest area, is this harvest container storage rack that we built. This way we can store all of our containers that we use when we actually go out to the garden out there to harvest stuff. So we can just come over here and grab up what we need and take it with us. And when we get through, we can rinse it out and put it back in this rack and save it for the next time. So we like the rack. It's got some good hardware cloth on the sides, and I ended up putting boards on the end. That way it just keeps, when we get strong thunderstorms around here, the wind just don't blow the buckets all over the place, which is usually what happens if I don't try to contain them inside the rack. So we got this one covered, and this will make going out to the garden a pleasure, won't it, baby? Mm-hmm. So anyway, that's the container storage rack. So we're looking forward to getting to use that here very soon. Mm-hmm. Well, it ain't much to look at, but this is the future home of our outdoor kitchen. If you'll remember, when we first moved in, it had above ground swimming pool right there. So we did get the pool ripped out and got that cleared out. We're still trying to weigh our options and our budget to see if we can afford to replace this shade cloth with a hard metal roof. Nancy likes to come out here and eat outside in the rain for some reason or another. She likes doing that. Mm-hmm. So anyway, we're gonna see if we can't swing that. And if we do, then we'll end up replacing this shade cloth with a metal roof. And this will be the outdoor kitchen. So when we come up from the harvest area, we'll come in with our vegetables and unload in here. And Nancy's gonna have a stove out here and some sinks and things like that in the kitchen, so she can do some canning. Something new for us. So we're looking forward to doing a whole pile of that. So this is where we're going to do that. And then, as you can see, it's just a short hop right over there to my shop. That's where our our 4-week pantry is located. So we can do the rest of the long-term storage in there with the vacuum seal, right? Mm-hmm. So anyway, this is the circuit of how we do our harvestings. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little tour we gave you today on the harvest area. That was quite a long journey to get all the components of this area set up and get it in place. So we enjoyed doing it, and we hope you enjoyed watching it. So if you like watching our videos and watching us bring our homestead to life, please subscribe and be a part of our homestead family with us. So until me and Nancy and Bing Bing see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. This is awesome. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.